This is going to be a quick overview and demonstration of the IBL extensible data pipeline for real-time analytics. This system consists of a distributed log served by Kafka, a data store, and a processing center. Events are fed from edX into the distributed Kafka log as they are generated. The processing center then consumes the events and updates the appropriate entries in the data store. Finally, the data is visualized on a dashboard. For this demonstration, we will generate enrollment events, run the pipeline, and take a look at the results. So this is a view of one of our dashboards. Here we can see the enrollment over time, the total number of enrollments in this time frame, and the unenrollments and net enrollments. There were 2 enrollments, and then the 1 unenrollment for a net of 1. We can look in the data store to see John was responsible for one of these enrollments, but then unenrolled the next day, and Bill is also responsible for an enrollment, and these are in 2 different courses. So let's go ahead and generate some events. Let's generate an event for Edna in this course and say that she enrolled in it. We'll also generate one for the user Jean in a different course. We'll come back and run the pipeline. Refresh, and we can see our new enrollments have occurred. We can also look back at the data store and see these 2 enrollments. Let's go ahead and generate a couple more, or one more unenrollment event. Say that Jean decided to unenroll from that same course. We'll run the pipeline once more. Refresh, and we can see the additional unenrollment. So now maybe we're curious about just what's going on in one of the courses. In this case, just the demo course, in which case we can see there were just the 2 enrollments. And that's what we have shown here. Or in demo course 2, where we have a total of 0 net enrollments, 2 positive and 2 negative, which we can also see. Sorry, let me refresh so you can actually see all that. 2 positive and 2 negative. We can also look at this at a more specific level, such as the user, like Bill, who only has the 1 enrollment. Or Jean, who we saw made 1 enrollment and then 1 unenrollment. Or perhaps Jean and Edna. Or we could even look at it as in a combination of course and users. In this case, Edna didn't do anything in that course, or rather, Jean didn't, excuse me. So nothing shows up for the other user. So this gives us a nice level of granularity from all the way at the high-level platform view to what's going on in the specific course, or specific users in all their courses, or even a specific user in a specific course, or set of users in a specific course. Okay. I think that's it. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the demonstration.